the heck with it, I'll do a video on this. They call it a Firebird 500, Palomar 500, Kicker 500. It's one driving 3. Give you about 150, 175 on a dead key. Probably swing 375 to 450 RMS. You might be able to get 600 out of it maybe on a peak meter. It's got a pretty good maul on it. You got your AM sideband power switch operation. This is for your dead key, your driver tube. This is a preamp. Load, tune, and so on. How you operate it is you come down here and you hit your power switch. I wish this thing was working so I could show you guys, but you would turn it on. You'd let your tube filament heaters heat up for, I don't know, a minute or so. Make sure you're in AM or sideband, whichever one you're doing. Flip your switch into operation, and what you want to do is you want to key the linear. When you key the linear, you want to back your load down a little bit, and then you come over here and you want to do your tuning. You want to peak out your antenna, then you come back over here and you peak this out, peak your load out, and then what you do is you back it down a little bit. Is what you're doing is you're detuning it. You're not detuning it, but what do they call it, dip load or whatnot. You back it down just a little bit because it'll sound like crap. And this is what is in it. This is a 6LQ6. This is a I should put it in there, but it's a 6JE6A, and it needs to be a 6C. I don't think this tube is any good. It's basically just a spare. Pretty neat though. That deal's got 4 of these, one driving 3. So there you go. A little bit about a Firebird 500. Until the next video, they call me the Craftsman, and I'll see you.